Journaling is a timeless practice that has been embraced by individuals throughout history as a means of self-expression, reflection, and personal growth. Beyond its surface simplicity, journaling holds a wealth of secrets that can transform your life in profound ways. Let's uncover 15 journaling secrets that will help you unlock the power of personal growth and creativity. The first secret of intention setting includes having clear intentions for your journaling practice, whether it's self-reflection, goal setting, or creative expression. Knowing your purpose will guide your writing journey. The secret of consistency advocates making journaling a regular habit. Consistent practice is key to reaping the full benefits of journaling and cultivating a deeper connection with yourself. Secret of authenticity suggests writing from the heart and being true to yourself. Authenticity breeds depth and meaning in your journal entries, allowing you to explore your thoughts and emotions with honesty. Secret of freedom means embracing the freedom to express yourself without judgment. Your journal is a safe space where you can be completely honest and unfiltered. Secret of reflection suggests you take time to reflect on your past entries. Reflection allows you to gain insights into your patterns, behaviors, and innermost desires. Secret of gratitude inspires you to cultivate a practice of gratitude journaling. Focusing on what you're grateful for can shift your perspective and attract more positivity into your life. Secret of visualization involves using journaling as a tool for visualization and manifestation. Write about your dreams and goals as if they've already come true, igniting the creative power of your subconscious mind. Secret of creativity propels you to tap into your creativity through journaling prompts, doodling, or exploring different writing styles. Allow your journal to be a canvas for artistic expression. Secret of brainstorming involves using your journal to brainstorm ideas, solve problems, and spark innovation. The act of writing can stimulate creativity and unlock new insights. Secret of self-compassion is the practice of self-compassion in your journaling journey. Be gentle with yourself and embrace imperfection as a natural part of the creative process. Secret of release of pent-up emotions and stress through journaling. Writing can be a cathartic experience, allowing you to let go of negative energy and find inner peace. Secret of progress tracking suggests using your journal to track your progress towards goals and personal growth. Celebrate your successes and learn from your challenges along the way. Secret of inspiration says you seek inspiration from your surroundings, experiences, and the world around you. Let your journal be a repository of ideas and inspiration that fuels your creativity. Secret of exploration involves using journaling as a tool for self-exploration and discovery. Dive deep into your psyche, uncovering hidden truths and untapped potential. Secret of legacy is about leaving behind a legacy through your journaling practice. Your words have the power to inspire future generations and leave a lasting impact on the world. As you embark on your journaling journey, remember that the true magic lies in the secrets waiting to be uncovered within the pages of your journal. Embrace these 15 journaling secrets as keys to unlocking the power of personal growth, creativity, and self-discovery. With each entry, you inch closer to uncovering the depths of your soul and unleashing your fullest potential.